In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to emphasize certain parts of your content or simply wanting to make sections of your text stand out, mastering the art of highlighting on Squarespace can greatly enhance the appearance of your site, making it more engaging and reader-friendly. So let's dive right into the steps to accomplish this. First things first, open up your web browser and head to the Squarespace website. It's the starting point of our journey to adding that visual flair to your text. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. Clicking it is your entryway into your digital space where all the magic happens. As a next step, you'll be presented with several login options. For convenience and speed, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This is a quick way to gain access if you've previously connected your Google account to Squarespace, streamlining the login process. Next, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the one associated with your Squarespace account. This step is crucial for ensuring you're entering the correct workspace where your website resides. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your specific website. You can do this easily by following a direct link to your website's admin area, or by selecting your site from the Squarespace dashboard. This area is your control room, where all aspects of your site can be managed and edited. Once you've found your way to your site, it's time to enter editing mode. Look for a button or link labeled Edit on your dashboard. This switches the view from simply viewing your website to being able to make changes to it. Think of it as turning the key to unlock your site's full potential. Now locate the text you wish to highlight. If you've got a lot of content, this might take a moment, but once you've found the right section, it's time to get to the actual highlighting. You won't need a physical highlighter for this digital task, of course. To edit your text, look for the edit icon. It often looks like a pencil or pen. This button is your gateway to modifying content. Once you've clicked it, your text becomes editable, allowing you to make various changes, including highlighting. Here's the part where you get to highlight your text. Double-click on the specific text you want to stand out. This action selects the text, signaling you're ready to apply some style to it. And with that final step, you have successfully learned how to highlight text on Squarespace. This tool can be incredibly useful for drawing attention to key information, making your website not only more visually appealing, but ensuring your visitors focus on what matters most. Remember, these steps can be repeated as many times as you like, allowing you to highlight different sections of text across your site, making your content pop and engaging your audience in a more meaningful way. Experiment with different sections of text to see how highlighting can transform the look and feel of your site. With this new skill in your arsenal, you're well on your way to creating a more dynamic and engaging Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further to make your site truly one of a kind.